Alright, today we are making homemade spaghetti. First, start by cutting your tomatoes into more of a large dice. Then do the same with your red bell peppers. Then set them aside on a sheet tray and start cutting your onions into a rough julienne. Once you've done that, put your onions on a sheet tray as well. Then preheat your broiler for about 10 minutes. Then slide in your 2 trays. After they've been in a minute and they're charred, pour them out. In a medium-sized pot, add some oil, then add your onions first and start to brown them. After you've browned them a little, add your tomatoes and bell peppers. After you've done that, take a potato masher and start mashing it up. Then add the beef stock and let simmer. Once that is simmered, add your herbs: garlic, thyme, rosemary, pepper, and salt. Then reduce down to the thickness you like, and then add heavy whipping cream. If you cannot get it thick enough, you can add a slurry, which is just water and cornstarch mixed together, and add it into your spaghetti sauce. Then add the sausage of your choice, and when it is at the right thickness you want, add your noodles and plate with some Parmesan. And thanks for watching.